Get ready for a truly special pastry. We're making a fluffy almond brioche tart filled with creamy almond frangipane, topped with sweet pear and crunchy sliced almonds. It's warm, comforting, and honestly perfect for a brunch, dessert, or anytime you want something a little indulgent. Hi, I'm Chloe Hodgman, and I'm the pastry chef at The Girl and the Fig. The restaurant is located in the beautiful Sonoma Plaza and serves what has been described as country food with a French passion.
Chef Chloe is going to show us the components of this mini almond brioche tart. The first step is making the brioche dough. Traditional brioche uses whole milk or cream, which makes it very rich. In this recipe, Chef Chloe uses almond milk in the brioche, which keeps the dough rich and soft, but results in a lighter texture and flavor. Make a little indentation on the top of each brioche round. This is where you add the frangipane, pear, and sliced almonds. Next, we'll learn how to make the frangipane, which is super simple to prepare. In a mixer, combine almond paste for richness, sugar, butter, eggs, almond flour, and vanilla paste. Frangipane is a versatile ingredient that is a staple of European baking. It's also great because it's gluten-free and can be used in many gluten-free pastries. Almond flour is traditionally used in frangipane to provide a nutty flavor and beautiful texture. This almond frangipane is a creamy filling that puffs lightly as it bakes, turning tender and lightly caramelized at the edges. Add some of the frangipane to the inside of each of the brioche rounds. Top each one with a sliced red Anjou pear and some sliced almonds and pearl sugar for a little crunch. You could add any seasonal fruit like peaches, apricots, or cherries. Really, any fruit will pair well with the almond flavors of the pastry. Bake these at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes or until they're golden brown. Using frangipane in brioche is a delicious way to elevate the pastry. With its warm almond aroma and custard-like texture, the frangipane adds depth and elegance to this dessert. For chefs with baking philosophies rooted in simplicity, like Chloe, this brioche tart is a showstopper.
I hope this recipe encourages you to explore new ways of baking with almonds and discover creative twists that bring joy to your kitchen.